Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Ampeak brand car battery charger. Selection of 2 amps, 10 amps, and 25 amps. Even though it's very small profile, it's pretty impressive. Fully automatic 12-volt battery charger with winter mode, auto desulfator, battery conditioner, and all lead acid and other types of batteries, gel, lithium polymer, lithium ion, lithium phosphate. This will work with a lot of different batteries that you're going to have around the house or in your car or in your shop. And this is, like I was mentioning, really small. It's only 10.9 wide, 4.7 high, and 7 deep. Comes with the cables on here. You can see got nice positive and nice negative clip on there with the copper. Really long cord that you can connect long distance. It's nice and long, about 6 feet. And the power input is long also, so that you could easily connect this to your car and your garage outlet. Has a nice instruction manual showing you how to operate the unit, and we're going to demonstrate how it works. It also comes with an 18-month warranty, hassle-free warranty, and 30-day no questions asked return policy, which is pretty impressive. So this is one of these ultimate charging solutions for AGM batteries, STD, gel, deep cycle batteries, all lead acid battery types. And you have that charging rate capacity 2, 10, and 25, which really surprised me for the low profile and how light this is. So they're using a switching supply inside here to be extremely efficient. It has over voltage, overheat, over time charging protection, short circuit, and reverse polarity. And the LCD display is will show you everything you need to know, so you stay informed with words and a visual display on there so that you can see what's going on. So this is advanced technology in here, optimizes battery power without overcharging or damaging, leading to extended battery lifespan. Comprehensive protection ensures optimized charging for your battery longevity. Everybody knows batteries need to be charged, and this is going to keep them in check and working perfectly. So let's take a look at the basics right here. Let's take this out. So you've got a display. It's saying please put the clamps on the battery. Now you see the switches right here. You've got an amp control. You got the battery type. You got winter mode, which is going to be like a trickle charging. It's great if you have a lawnmower, you want to keep that going during the winter. You have 6 or 12 volt selection on here, and it has pulse desulfation. Desulfation is really cool. I've been using that for many years. It's a pulsing mechanism that sends a negative spike in these leads, and it helps remove desulfation on your lead acid battery. All batteries desulfate even after a couple months of use. Run this and it should clean that desulfation up. Then there's this other mode on here, which is Recondition, and that's doing a special algorithm of charging at a certain rate, and you can pick that for your batteries. I would recommend, if you have an old battery, do desulfation first for a couple days, then do this Recondition on here. But we're going to give this a try. I'm going to show you right here. I have an example. I have a lithium battery right here, and these have their own protection circuitry inside them, so you know they have over voltage and over current. So I just want to give this a try, see if this works. I'm going to put the positive, I haven't tried this yet, on here, the positive right there. Let's go this way. Now let's take the negative lead and put that on the negative right there. So now I connect it across like that. Now let's take a look at the display. So it's instantly starting to do something. So you saw it said lithium right there. I already had gone through and I already had selected. There's gel, if you look right there, gel. There's standard battery right there. And then there's AGM and deep cycle and calcium, and there's the lithium. Now we could pick 12 or 6 volt. This is a 12 volt battery. And look right here, I can do the amps right there, 15, auto, it'll do automatically, or 2. Let's just do 2 because this battery's already charged. Now let's just hit the start button right there. And now it's giving a soft start, and it's giving you a visual display on there. I hope the camera could pick that up. and I can hear a slight humming sound on the battery itself because it has front end electronics on there also. So there you go. So now this is charging this battery for me automatically. I could walk away, I don't have to worry about it. It's going ahead and it's charging this battery. So really great to see that it works with that. Now we're going to be also demoing this on my automobile, and we're going to be testing it on a standard lead acid battery. Here we have a multimeter to check the voltage right there while this is charging to prove that it's actually charging, because this was sitting at 12.2 volts. Now you can see it's 13.68. So it's doing its charging algorithm, the Ampeak, and it's going to fully charge this battery, and it's going to automatically shut down when it reaches the full charge point of this battery. Here's another example, another lithium battery. This is the typical kind of battery that is used in a motorcycle and a lawnmower, and it's also a lithium battery, and you can see it's charging it right now. It's going through its charging algorithm. I have 2 amps set approximately, and it's going through and it's increasing the voltage, and it will auto shut off when it's complete. So here I've got my 12 volt lead acid battery. It's an all electric car, it's the Kona, but it still uses a lead acid battery, and I've got it connected up and it's running right now. It's in the auto mode and it's a lead acid battery. You can see the display right there. It's auto, so it's going to pick the current that's appropriate. Let's take a look at the voltage. I just started, so it's at 12.74, and on the product itself it actually tells you the voltage right there, so you can get a status of what's going on. And the unit finished, and it went turned off. Hit that for the status if you want, and it showed me the end voltage 14 volts. So after testing, what do you think about the Ampeak brand, their car battery charger with that 2 amp, 10 amp, or 25 amp, fully automatic for all the different battery types? As I demonstrated, this worked great on my lithium batteries and my car battery. Really like this product. I'm impressed by how small and lightweight this is and how powerful it is. It's got anti-slip feet on there also. Really nice handle. You see the cooling ports on the end right there to let air go through. Nice clips on here. I'm impressed. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.